નમસ્તે મિત્રો, આજના વિડીયોમાં આપણે જોઈશું જીપીએસસી 2025 દ્વારા લેવાયેલ નર્સિંગ લેક્ચરરના પેપરનું સોલ્યુશન. 101. Normal value of serum lithium test is A 0.6 to 1.2, B 0.10 to 0.32, C 1 to 1.8, D 1.2 to 2.2 milli equivalent per liter. Right option is A 0.6 to 1.2 milli equivalent per liter. 102. When the nurse is assessing a patient who has cirrhosis of liver, which of the following finding would indicate that the patient condition is worsening? A. Positive Babinski sign. B. Bilateral basal lung cramps. C. Visceral field loss. D. Flapping hand tremors. Right option is D. Flapping hand tremors. 103. In which of the following method of debridement the healthcare provider only remove the necrotizing tissue and leaves the normal tissue intact while doing wound debridement? A. Selective method. B. Non-selective method. C. Total method. D. Mixed method. Right option is A. Selective method. 104. In angina pectoris, pain occurs due to A. Accumulation of HCl. B. Lack of oxygen supply. C. Accumulation of lactose dehydrogenase. D. Movement of thrombus. Right option is B. Lack of oxygenation. 105. Directive counseling is characterized by the counselor influence on the client's reproductive decision. A. Neutralize client autonomy. B. Enhance unbiased decision making. C. It ensure equal participation of the both parents. D. It prevent moral conflict in the family. Right option is A. It neutralize client autonomy. 106. The nurse is caring for a patient who is receiving a parenteral nutrition infusion. The nurse should perform blood glucose monitoring every 6 hourly to detect which complications: A. Hyponatremia, B. Hyperkalemia, C. Hypokalemia, D. Hyperglycemia. Right option is D. Hyperglycemia. 107. Color of Lochia rubra is A. White, B. Yellowish, C. Red, D. Greenish. Right option is C. Red. 108. The diameter of fully dilated cervix is A. 5 cm, B. 4 cm, C. 6 cm, D. 10 cm. Right option is D. It is a 10 cm. 109. When two rater rate the same tool may or may not the same time, that considered as A. Parallel forms reliability, B. Inter-rater reliability, C. Intra-rater reliability, D. Homogeneity. So here right option is B. Inter-rater reliability. 1010. Abnormal connections between trachea and esophagus is called as A. Esophageal atresia, B. Tracheoesophageal atresia, C. Tracheoesophageal fistula, D. Esophageal fistula. Right option is C. Tracheoesophageal fistula. 111. According to Bloom taxonomy, precision is characterized under A. Cognitive domain, B. Affective, C. Psychomotor domain, D. Sensorial domain. Correct option is C. Psychomotor domain. 112. The surgery to remove the gallbladder entirely is referred as E. cholelithiasis, B. cholecystectomy, C. colostomy, D. galactomy. Right option is B. 113. Vitamin B is also known as A. Niacin, B. Retinoic acid, C. Pyridoxine, D. Biotin. So here we have to observe there is all the option is a known as a vitamin B. So vitamin B is a not single nutrient. There is maybe some error in questions. 114. Age at which the anterior fontanelle close is A. 18 month, B. 6 month, C. 10 month, D. 12 month. Here, correct option is 18 month, or we can call this a 1.5 year. So here, anterior fontanelle is closed at the 18 month of age. 115. Which of the following nursing intervention is essential for client with the exophthalmos? A. Administer artificial tear. B. Encourage the client to wear spectacles. C. Promote bed rest. D. Monitor pulse rate at 4 hourly. Correct option is A. Administer artificial tear. 116. The nurse should explain the patient who underwent vasectomy that A. Immediate after the surgery you are sterile. B. No need to use any other contraceptive method. C. Normal erection and ejaculation functions will be there. D. An alternative from the conception will be necessary for the 6 to 8 weeks. So here correct option is D. 117. Misinterpretations of perception or experience in schizophrenia are known as A. Hallucinations, B. Delusion, C. Misperception, D. Evaluation. Correct option is B. Delusion. 118. Rorschach test measure A. Intelligence, B. Creativity, C. Personality, D. Neuroticism. So here right option is C. Personality. 119. A large subdivision of the subject matter is called A. Course plan, B. Unit plan, C. Lesson plan, D. Master rotation plan. Correct option is B. Unit plan. 120. The normal chest circumference at the birth is A. 35 centimeter, B. 31 centimeter, C. 32 centimeter, D. 37 centimeter. Correct option is a C. 32 centimeter. 121. Chaotic wing for leadership and trailing of group process is called A. Farming, B. Non-farming, C. Storming, D. Performing. Correct option is C. Storming. 122. Legal and ethical issues are intertwined but A. They are not distinct bodies of the thought or practice. B. They are individual and distinct bodies of the thought and practice. C. They have no effect on each other. D. They are not of great influence on each other. Here, right option is B. They are individual and distinct bodies of the thought and practice. 123. Best measure for glomerulus filtration rate is A. Serum creatinine, B. Urine output, C. BUN, D. PAN. Here right option is A. Serum creatinine. 124. Potassium is maximally absorbed in which part of nephron? A. Proximal convoluent tubules, B. DCT, C. Collecting ducts, D. Lobe of Henle. Correct option is A. Proximal convoluent tubules. 125. Continued membership in a group will usually require A. Supporting the group leader, B. Conforming to group norms, C. Encourage cohesion in the group, D. Developing status system. Correct option is B. 126. Coronary synovium opens into A. Inferior vena cava, B. Right atrium, C. Left atrium, D. Great cardiac vein. Correct option is B. Right atrium. 127. The inability to carry out normal activities despite intact motor function is A. Anhedonia, B. Aprasia, C. Apathy, D. Enmensia. Right option is B. Aprasia. 128. McMahon sign is an indicate of a cerebral palsy, B. Mental retardation, C. Hydrocephalus, D. Meningitis. Correct option is C. Hydrocephalus. 129. During the shock phase of the alarm reaction, the body is prepared for A. Sleep and recovery, B. Fight or flight response, C. Emotional breakdown, D. Digestion and rest. Correct option is B. Fight or flight response. 130. Which level of evidence is weakest in the evidence-based nursing hierarchy? A. Level 1, B. Level 3, C. Level 6, Level 7. Correct option is D. Level 7. Expert opinion. 131. A health worker should establish working relationship by A. Understanding the family and listening of family problem. B. Solving the problem with the proper planning and meeting immediate needs of family. C. Solving authoritative attitude and directive terms. D. Respecting the views and opinion of family members. Correct option is D. 132. All of the following present rheumatic heart disease except A. Mitral stenosis, B. Mitral regurgitation, C. Aortic regurgitation, D. Tetralogy of Fallot. Correct option is D. Tetralogy of Fallot. 133. Fertilization of ovum normally take place in A. Corpus luteum, B. Intestinal on the end of the fallopian tube, C. Ampulla or fallopian tube, D. Fimbriated end of fallopian tube. Correct option is C. Ampulla or fallopian tube. 134. The placenta is originated from A. Decidual vera, B. Myometrium, C. Chorion frondosum, D. Amnion. Correct option is C. 135. A variable other than the independent variable that could cause a change in the dependent variable is known as the A. Extraneous variable, B. Intervening variable, C. Predictor variable, D. Target variable. Here, correct option is A. Extraneous variable. 136. Treatment of choice pathological jaundice is A. Steroid therapy, B. Phototherapy, C. Oxygen therapy, D. Exchange blood transfusion. Correct option is B. Phototherapy. 1 137. Miller's pyramid helps a teacher to A. Prepare test for professional competence, B. Construct questions for cognitive domain, C. Test aptitude, D. Prepare test for psychomotor domain. Here correct option is A. Prepare test for competency. 138. Carryover effect is a classical Demetrius attract to which of the following research design? A. Solomon 4 group, B. Crossover design, C. Factorial design, D. Randomized block design. Correct option is B. Crossover design. 139. The greatest danger of breech presentation is A. Prolapse of foot, B. Prolapse of cord, C. Prolapse of arm, D. Precipitate labor. Correct option is B. Prolapse of cord. 140. In which psychiatric complications infecticide sign may be present? A. Third day blue, B. Postpartum depression, C. Postpartum psychosis, D. Post-traumatic disorder. Correct option is C. Postpartum psychosis. 141. A design in which a researcher select a case and go to past history to study present outcome is called A. Retrospective design, B. Analytic design, C. Prospective design, D. Epidemiological design. Correct option is A. Retrospective design. 142. A process of selecting small group of participants from a larger group is termed as A. Sampling, B. Triangulations, C. Cross matching, D. Trimming. Correct option is A. Sampling. 143. The cause of respiratory acidosis among the following is A. Hyperventilation. B. Excessive vomiting. C. Respiratory obstruction. D. Diabetic ketoacidosis. Correct option is C. Respiratory obstruction. 144. Rose questionnaire is used for A. Alcohol addiction. B. Sex addiction. C. Angina assessment. D. Deep vein thrombosis assessment. Correct option is C. Angina. 145. The basic concept behind a learning organization is A. Popularity to change. B. The people change. C. The adaptation to the change. D. The resources of change. Correct option is C. The adaptation to change. 146. The leadership style where a leader leaves the group entirely to itself is called A. Autocratic. B. Democratic. C. Consultative. D. Laissez-faire. Correct option is D. 147. Amount of blood filtration is renal capsule per minute is known as A. Glomerular filtration rate. B. Urine per minute. C. Tidal volume. D. Blood flow per minute. Correct option is A. Glomerular filtration rate. 148. Inability to urinate despite desire is known as A. Incontinence. B. Retention. C. Enuresis. D. Encopresis. Correct option is B. Retention. 149. Preservation is A. Persistent repetitions of word beyond the point of relevance. B. Persistent irrational fear. C. Persistent thinking. D. Persistent and irreversible thought. Correct option is A. 150. Neurotransmitter involved in a manic episodes are A. Excessive level of norepinephrine and dopamine. B. Decreased level of norepinephrine and dopamine. C. Excessive level of serotonin. D. Decreased level of dopamine. Correct option is A. Excessive level of norepinephrine and dopamine. For more video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.